Hello everyone, it's your girl again, Kara Sowe, and welcome once again to our self-development series. So today I'm introducing you to our financial management series for college and university students. Well, this series is specifically defined for college and university students and designed to equip you with essential knowledge and skills to navigate the complex world of finance, preparing you for both academic success and professional careers in the academic sector, even also in the financial sector. Now, one of the reasons we want to talk about financial management is because in almost every aspect of our lives, finance is involved, and we cannot really function properly without the involvement of money. Even for us students, we have to have a proper understanding of financial management because it is important we make good decisions in our personal finance. Even as we are trying out businesses, maybe our handworks and all that, we have to make good choices, and even in our careers, so as not to make wrong financial decisions that we end up regretting in the long run. So for this series, we'll be talking about some specific topics that I hope as we go together, you learn, I learn, and we become better at making our financial decisions. So one of the topics I would be talking on is foundations of financial management. In this, we'll be talking about the principles and the practices that guide how businesses manage their financial resources, including decision-making process. Like this one will basically be talking about what other businesses have been doing, what other individuals have been doing that has helped their finance to grow. We'll analyze it and see, okay, this is what they are doing that made their finance work out for them. And then we'll move on to analyzing financial statements. In this series, we'll be talking about our income statement and how we get cash, how we make use of the cash, how our cashes circulate, and even how the performance of our money does. You know, money has a performance because peradventure you had a budget and you budgeted, maybe let me say in this country as it is now, you budgeted as a student probably 30,000 for feeding in a month. I know that's a lot of money already because food is consuming a lot of money from our hands these days. So let's say you budgeted 30,000 naira for eating as a student per month, and peradventure you had other little edibles or probably snacks you wanted to get along. Now you have to realize that apart from the fact that you want to be eating solid food, maybe like rice and yam and gari and soup, for example, in that money, at the same time there may be little snacks and sweets and biscuit that you may want to buy alongside the way. So we will analyze how our money performs, if it is able to meet our specific needs and satisfy those needs we want, because clearly there's a difference between needs and wants. And for needs are always fixed, they are always there, we cannot do without them. But wants are like cravings that from time to time, occasionally they come. So we are going to analyze if our money is meeting our needs or if it is satisfying just our wants. And then we will then go into budgeting and financial planning, because in this state we are in like this, we have to plan. We'll be learning how to create and manage our budgets for the money we are expecting and the expenses we have to plan for over a specific period of time. Because if you are setting financial goals, to be able to track your progress, to be able to track how well you are doing, you have to have a budget and you have to have a plan that basically covers everything regarding your finance. And then fourthly, we'll be talking about capital structure and funding. Well, this majorly is for who are students, who are venturing into business, or who are just fresh graduates and are also in the business field. We'll be talking about the balance between debt and income, because I believe in your business there are sometimes you have to be in debt just so you can get some resources so you can make income from your business. So we'll be teaching ourselves how to balance our risks that we take in our business operations and investment as well. Then also we'll be talking about investment analysis. Under this topic, we'll majorly be bringing out investment opportunities for young Nigerians, that will have potentials, and the risks will probably be safer for us so as to enable us have good financial portfolio. Yes. And then we will be talking about our risk management, how well we deal with our financial risks. Because in this country that we are today, there are some money you may not be using for your needs, but at the end of the day, you are taking a risk with them because they will bring you a return that is well deserved. So we'll be talking about our risk management in terms of our finance as well. And then also we will diverse a bit into financial markets. We'll explore our financial assets, like relating to government bonds, stocks, and derivatives that are traded. I believe some of us are aware of things like stock exchange and even the foreign exchange. So probably you have an idea of what I'm talking about. And then last but not the least, we'll be talking about corporate finance, and that will be the end of our series. We'll be talking about how to manage financial decisions within our businesses, within our companies, or within that small scale business we are planning, or people we work with. We'll learn how to manage our financial decisions, because it's not just about making the decisions, it's also about being able to keep with them and being able to see results from those decisions you have made. Thank you. And last but not the least, the reason why you should join us for this series. Firstly, we will be gaining practical skills that we can apply in real world financial settings, because let's be honest, most of the things we were taught in school, we cannot use them in the real life world because they gave us impractical examples. But one of the benefits of this series is that we'll be gaining skills that we can apply. Secondly, it will help us to better prepare for our career, because for those of us who will be going into financing, accounting, investment, banking, and other financial related fields, and even though you are not going into financial related fields, you still have to know about your finance. You still have to do well in your finance, you understand? And then we also want you to have good and enhanced decision making. We don't want you making decisions based on impulse. We want you to develop critical thinking skills and make informed decisions. You not just make decisions today and tomorrow, when the country is going lopsided, you are running helter-skelter. That was not favorable because you made a decision that was not favorable for you in the time of drought. So we are going to learn how to make decisions that even if the weather is rainy, the weather is sunny, we will still be on the gaining side. And last but not the least, it will help us support our academic journey with thorough understanding of how we can make use of our finance and be the best at managing our finances. Thank you very much for joining us today. It's your girl here. See you next time. Bye.